Well, that's a fail. The second elevator here at Franklin Pointe Medical Center, 26,400 West 12 Mile Road. Guess what? It's broken. It's a Dover. Ooh, that's hot. Like that's been wet up for a while. Oh well, that sucks. So, that's a fail. Hello everybody, today we are here at Franklin Pointe Medical Center at 26,400 West 12 Mile Road in Southfield, Michigan. The last time I was here, this Dover elevator was broken, but it looks to be fixed now, so let's take a ride on it. Non-clicky button. Nice chime. Oh, was hydraulic? See? Older style impulse doesn't click. See the hydraulic ram up there. All right, let's go down to the first floor. The phone just randomly activated. It's not the first time that's happened to me. I've had that happen to me before. Got the older key switches for the light, the fan, and the light. I just said the light already. Let's go down to 1. Once again, there's the phone, which for some reason activated. Atrium level, this is. Does not work. That button's been replaced as well. All right, let's end it up on 2.